Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about alcohols. Alcohols are actually the organic compound. OH is their general formula. Here we say they are derived from water. One of the hydrogen of the water when get replaced with alkyl group, that class of organic compound is called as a alcohol. Alcohol has hydroxy functional group. Now we are going to study about the classification of alcohols. Alcohols are actually classified on the basis of the carbonyl carbon atom. Carbonyl carbon atom is that carbon on which hydroxyl group is directly attached. We say there are different types of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. When carbonyl carbon atom is attached with one alkyl group, that is called as a primary alcohol, and when carbonyl carbon atom is attached with two alkyl group, that class of alcohol will be called as a secondary alcohol, and when carbonyl carbon atom is attached with three alkyl group, that class of alcohol will be called as a tertiary alcohol. Now these primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol differ in their reactivity towards different compounds. Focusing on different methods of synthesis of alcohols, there are several methods by which alcohols can be obtained. The first method that is given here is by nucleophilic substitution reaction on alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, as you know, alkyl group when attached with halogen, they are called as a alkyl halide. They will react with a base or a water and result in the formation of alcohol with the release of halide ion or halo acids. Here substitution reaction is shown in which hydroxy group is attacking on the electrophilic carbon atom. The carbon that is attached with the halogen atom has electron deficiency on them, and this nucleophile is attacking on the electrophile carbon. In the next step, you can see a transition state. In the transition state, new bonds are being formed and old bonds are being broken down. And in the next step, leaving group has been left from the substrate molecule and nucleophile has been attached on the electrophilic carbon atom. Now, from the alkyl halides, alcohol have been obtained. As here they explained that hydroxide ion is a strong nucleophile because it has negative charge and it has lone pair of electron on it. So in methyl iodide, that is a substrate molecule, carbon atom is an electrophile because it is attached with more electronegative iodine atom, which is pulling the electron density away from the carbon atom and leaving a partial positive charge on the carbon atom. So this carbon atom will be attacked by a nucleophile, and in the next step, as I have explained, the transition state, and this deficiency of electron that was on the carbon atom was basis for this reaction. Next method for the preparation of alcohol is by hydration of alkene. There are several methods by which hydration of alkene can be done in order to convert them alcohols. So the first method is by addition of sulfuric acid. Here we say in alkenes, cold concentrated sulfuric acid is added and we obtain alkyl hydrogen sulfonic acid. And on hydrolysis, in the presence of heat, these alkyl hydrogen sulfonic acid get converted into alcohols. We say here the reaction is regioselective and Markovnikov product is formed. According to orientation, when the attacking group can attach at more than one position, then only one product will be preferably formed as a product. That is called as a regioselective reaction. look at the reaction. We say that double bond is present between carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So possibility ये है कि आपके पास हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप कार्बन नंबर 1 के ऊपर भी अटैच हो सकता है और कार्बन नंबर 2 के ऊपर भी अटैच हो सकता है. But in the product, here we say that hydroxyl group attached to carbon number 2, and that product is the major product over here. तो यहाँ पे हम ये कहते हैं कि इसीलिए हम ये कहते हैं कि ये हमारे पास क्या है, रीजियो सिलेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट है, कि रीजन सिलेक्टिविटी इसके अंदर आ जाती है कि आपके पास जो मेजर प्रोडक्ट है वो मार्कोवनिकॉफ प्रोडक्ट बनता है. मार्कोवनिकॉफ प्रोडक्ट क्या होते हैं, आपके पास जब अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन्स के अंदर कोई भी अनसिमेट्रिकल मॉलिक्यूल आप एड अप करते हैं तो हाइड्रोजन या पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ दैट अनसिमेट्रिकल मॉलिक्यूल get attached with that carbon of the alkene which already holds greater number of hydrogen atom. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को जब आपने ऐड किया तो इसका जो हाइड्रोजन है वो अटैच्ड हो गया ऑन दैट कार्बन ऑफ डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम which already holds greater number of hydrogen atom. और आपके पास देन चांसेस सिर्फ यही थे कि हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप फिर उस कार्बन के ऊपर जाके अटैच्ड हुआ जिसके पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम मौजूद थे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट मेथड फॉर द हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन इज डायरेक्ट हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन. Direct hydration of alkene is done in the presence of an acid, mostly a sulfuric acid, or in the presence of phosphoric acid, and this reaction after the treatment with the acid also treated with the water. As in this case the product is also regioselective, and again the Markovnikov product will be obtained, and in this reaction as an intermediate carbocations are formed, and the reactivity of, or we can say that stable is the carbocation formed, more will be the order of reaction or speed of the reaction. So look at the reaction. Protonation of double bond form a secondary carbocation. An acid in the first step protonate the water molecule, and now this protonated water molecule can be attacked by double bond. Here you see again Markovnikov rule is being followed. The hydrogen is being attached on that carbon of double bonded carbon atom which already holds greater number of hydrogen atom. So here the carbocation is formed and secondary carbocation is being formed. In the second step, nucleophilic attack by the water gives a protonated alcohol. Water from the back side is attacking on the carbocation and it will get attached with the carbocation. In the next step, deprotonation will occur in the presence of water molecule. This water molecule will attack on the hydrogen atom of the water molecule, and this hydrogen will leave from here in the form of proton, and we get the alcohol. Okay, the other method for the preparation of alcohol from the alkene is oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration, demercuration method. First, oxymercuration will be done, and in the next step, demercuration will be done. Oxymercuration, demercuration is mostly done in the presence of mercuric acetate in the presence of water. So look at the reaction. Alkenes are reacting with mercuric acetate in the presence of water, and in the intermediate step we say that mercuric acetate are obtained, and in the next step its reduction or demercuration is done in the presence of a strong base, and here sodium borohydride is used. Again Markovnikov product is being obtained. Mechanism is given. Mercuric acetate in the first step is being attacked by the double bonded carbon atom, that is an electrophile, and being attacked by the pi electronic system of the carbon atom. A transition state is obtained in which mercury is bonded with both the carbon atoms and a acetate ion, acetate group. So in the next step this is unstable form and it will get converted into stable form. Water opens up the ring to give a organomercuric alcohol. So here look at the reaction. Water is being attacked. In the next step, deprotonation will occur and a mercuric alcohol, organomercuric alcohol is obtained. In the next step, now demercuration will be done in the presence of a reducing agent, and here reducing agent sodium borohydride is used in a basic medium or alcoholic medium. So demercuration means mercuric acetate will be removed from here and alcohol will be obtained. Here you saw that product was also regioselective and again Markovnikov product is formed. And we say that the solvent attaches itself to the less substituted carbon and mercuric acetate again attaches to the more substituted carbon atom, and again we saw that we obtain the Markovnikov product. Hydrogen is added on carbon number 1 and hydroxy group is attached on carbon number 2. The next method for the preparation of alcohol is hydroboration of alkene. Diboranes react with alkene at room temperature and they are commercially available in ethereal solution. In tetrahydrofuran, they are mostly present. Diboranes react with alkenes and form trialkyl boranes, which on oxidation with oxidizing agent get converted into alcohol. Diborane is toxic, flammable, explosive gas, so it is used as a complex with tetrahydrofuran. As here it is shown that B2H6 diborane that is present in tetrahydrofuran, and in tetrahydrofuran it is present in BH3 form. So you can see that it is a bulky group and it is the more substituted group. This method for the preparation of alkene has prime importance because in this case we can obtain an anti-Markovnikov product. In all previous cases we obtain the Markovnikov product. So look at the mechanism. Here hydride ion is attached on that carbon atom of the double bond which is more substituted, and boron hydride will be attached on that carbon of the double bond that is less substituted and less hindered carbon atom. So in the next step, when oxidation will take place, hydroxy group will be attached on less hindered carbon atom or less substituted carbon atom and resulting in the formation of anti-Markovnikov product. You can see that here in this case double bonded carbon atoms were present and hydroxy group is attached on that carbon atom which was less substituted. This carbon is more substituted and this carbon is less substituted, and hydroxy group is attached on less substituted carbon atom. Thank you so much. This is it for today and we will continue our topic in the next video inshallah. Keep watching. Thank you so much.